In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're managing multiple projects and need to regularly organize your workspace by clearing out Teamspaces you no longer use. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to navigate to the Notion homepage. Simply open your web browser and go to www.notion.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you usually sign in with a Google account, you can conveniently click on the Continue with Google option and make sure to select the right Google account if prompted. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll see your workspace title. Clicking on the workspace title will open a drop-down menu that gives you a variety of options. And among them, you'll find Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive menu where you can manage all sorts of workspace configurations. Your interest lies in the Teamspaces section, which is neatly organized within the settings. Here, you'll see a clear list of all your currently existing Teamspaces. Now, locate the specific Teamspace you wish to delete. To the right of its name, there are three little dots that represent more options. Clicking on those dots will present you with a set of additional choices. From there, you want to select Archive Teamspace. Notion has implemented this archiving feature as a helpful safeguard. Instead of instantly deleting the space, which can lead to unfortunate accidents, archiving allows you to first remove it from your active list. After selecting the Archive Teamspace option, the system will prompt you to type in the name of the Teamspace. This is an added measure to ensure that you're absolutely certain about archiving this particular space. Once you've carefully entered the name, just click the Archive Teamspace button. That action successfully archives the Teamspace, making it disappear from your active listing. However, it remains accessible in case you need to retrieve any information from it later. If down the line you decide you want to permanently delete the Teamspace, you can easily do so from the archive. Archiving is that crucial first step that prevents accidental deletions and gives you peace of mind while managing your digital workspace. And there you have it. You've effectively learned how to archive and eventually delete a Teamspace in Notion. This quick process can greatly help in maintaining a clean and organized workspace, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your projects. Thanks for watching, and check back for more useful tutorials on managing your Notion workspace.